Any other questions, guys? When did we think about? Sorry? Can you just repeat the question?
Why did you think about it?
Why did we think of doing the mutton song? Because it's way most of the women in the film.
See his abs in the song.
What the hell? No, jokes apart, really. Actually, Bumps, why don't you?
Same thing. I think he's far better looking. If you drove by Linking Road post 7 p.m., you'd probably see. Is that but we just wanted to do something which was mainstream yet wasn't really mainstream. It was the way we look at mainstream, yeah, and it's a very twisted way of looking at it. And don't get scared when you see the rest of the stuff. But it just come out outrageously well. And this guy actually had, I don't know if I'm allowed to say balls, but he had the gonads. Okay, he had the gonads to actually stand up. You know what? I think I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I don't know too many guys who actually would have done it. And he's done a great job. So, after that, I mean, if it hadn't turned out so well, then we would have probably thought of reasons why we went for this. But because it didn't, so I think we haven't really thought of anything.
Yeah. Okay, just let me give you an idea of how and why the mutton song came up musically. Initially, the idea that we all had, we knew that there was a point in the film which would really signal, yes, decadence and the beautiful lows that we to. So we were looking for a brand new low that we could go to, and we were toying with the idea and all of that stuff. And then essentially on the conversation that the four of us had, that's Ashish, Bumpy, this demented man who has, I mean, I'm telling you, trust me, this man is the most demented person on stage. Okay? I mean, anybody who can write, 6-pack ke biscuit gol hue, nabhi mein piercing hole hue, is just, I mean, I listen to every word he says. He's a very important person in my life. But I have to say this, that the one thing that we really wanted to do, and this was always the take on the mutton song, was you see every single item song out there objectifying women. How about turning that on its head? How about the women enjoy a man going nuts? And this boy is fearless. He really is. I mean, he's nuts. He really is nuts. And he's special. He really is special. So we've had the best time working on the soundtrack because and I think our gauge for the mutton song was when we fell down. When we fell down laughing, it was good. We were close.
Never really thought about that. Just enjoyed, had a great time, and laughed after writing both. No, not really. Not my claim really, but yeah, what I know is we have an amazing song, a crazy song at our hand, and I'm sure it's going to be very popular, definitely.
No. Well, I really had no choice. Honest truth, really. But I think once I got into the costume, I guess it signed it off.
We told him you could keep the blouse.
And I agreed.
Sealed the deal.
That sealed the deal, yes, for sure.
He's absolutely right. A, he didn't have a choice. B, the place where we were shooting this, the changing room was actually like really far out. It's like in a different building, 4 floors away, etc. So he had this bathrobe which he could wear to come down to the shoot. After a point, he was like, you know what? Who needs this? And he's walking around in his ghagra choli with lipstick, and it's like a regular hotel. So there's like these regular families going into the lifts, and our friend here starts pouting at the family, and all of that starts hysterical, and which is what has made the song really special. And Shraddha already mentioned Adil, our friend Adil Sheikh, who's choreographed the song. What's wonderful about this song that each one has added an additional layer of insanity and their own unique chap of madness to it. So be it from the words, be it from the music, be it from the singing, be it from the way it's performed, to even the way it's been choreographed and the casting. The casting of the backup dancers, they are special. Everyone's bringing remixes and old songs back. Adil Sheikh here has brought back vintage Bollywood backup dancers. One of my favorites.
All men.
All men! Fantastic! There is the legendary Mr. Bulbulji. Are you guys familiar with Laila Mai Laila Kurbani? Yeah? If you guys remember the guy with the afro who goes kulu kulu, he's in the song. And that's just one of them. And so it's, I mean, those are the things that make the song really special. So, you know, to answer your question, Munni, Sheila, move over. Really.
And I have to give a special shout out to the singer. It's a very serious, deadly serious guy called Krishna Biora. And he is outstanding. He's simply outstanding. And he's deadly serious, okay? So you got to hear the song to see what he's done, because he's performed about 5 characters in this song. And as he would sing it, we have a very weird way of recording Krishna, because he doesn't laugh and smile when he sings, but he's incredibly funny. So you're recording this guy and he tells you, ab main Ayaz bhai karunga, Ayaz bhai. So I'm like, who is Ayaz bhai? And he's like, no, that the backup singer in the Qawwali who sits on the left, wo thoda bass voice mein gaate hain, wo zyada pan khaya unhone. So you hear the opening of the song, there's a whole bunch of characters who are saying things and talking to each other. There's another guy called Fayaz Bhai, there's a guy called Govardhan who only sings in the higher pitch. All of these characters that Krishna was churning up as he was singing the song, and it was magical. It was a magical recording. We wish we had captured that recording as well, because it was a really special day with him. And I think the song is a very, very, very difficult song to sing. So I'm looking forward to hearing this on some reality TV shows, and then parents cringing when their kids sing the song.
Anything else, guys?
It's been fun. I never really plan on what I'm gonna be doing next. I just live, like I really trip on a day-to-day basis. So whatever comes and whatever, like, again, for the lack of a better word, tickles my gonads. So, you know, I just go ahead and do that. So when it was in the band, it was about playing music and releasing all that pent-up energy on stage, and then suddenly it went into television because I fell in love and I had to be serious and get a job. And then I started tripping on that, and then it suddenly became this, where I wanted a break from roadies. And I don't know, I've never planned it, but it's been one hell of a beautiful ride here. I just hope, you know, when a couple is in bed, a teenage couple, you know, or they're looking into each other's eyes lovingly, and he thinks that, you know, she's finally going to say I love you, or, you know what, let's take this to the next level. She should actually turn around and say, you're my mutton, baby, you know. So I hope that phrase, that you're my mutton, I hope it catches on. And, you know, I just hope, you know, like guys keep calling their chicks, I don't know what all, butter crunch, whatever, you know, but I hope a girl turns around and calls me mutton. So I'll be like, yes, absolutely. So that. Sorry? That's nice. I'll remember that.
Nice. Okay, I guess that's pretty much it. We have one more photo op with the entire team of Love Ka Diyan, but before we do that, 6th of May movie comes out, 5.5 tracks on the album. Each one kicks serious butt. Go pick it up, go download it, go listen to it, and go spread the word.
Oh, but sorry, just one more thing. Just try and watch it, because I think the background score also, if you like music, when you hear the background, you'll pick up at least 5 more tracks in the film itself. You know, so they're all underlays, and I just think, again, he's done an incredible job, and again, it's twisted. So just go watch it also, because I think the background score, if we actually had the time and, you know, the energy, I think we actually put some of those tracks back onto the album, but we wanted to keep it a surprise in the film. So watch out for those underlays as well.
Yep. So guys, can we have the cast on stage for a photo op, and after that we have mutton kebabs and mutton biryani. Thank you so much.